The Collision Mitigation Braking System, or CMBS, is designed to alert drivers when it detects a potential frontal collision, and if one is imminent, to apply the brakes to mitigate the severity of a possible impact. When a potential frontal collision is detected, the system is designed to issue a visual alert in the instrument panel, as well as a beeping noise. CMBS uses a radar unit mounted at the front of the vehicle and a windshield-mounted camera to gauge the distance of a detected vehicle ahead. You can adjust the system to issue the alerts when the detected vehicle is either farther away or closer to your vehicle. With the ignition on and the transmission in park, touch the home icon on the touchscreen and then select Settings. Next, choose Vehicle and Driver Assist System Setup. Touch Forward Collision Warning Distance. Now, if you want the alerts to occur when the detected vehicle is still farther away, select Long. If you want them to occur when you're closer to the detected vehicle, choose Short. After making your choice, scroll to the bottom and touch Save. To turn CMBS off, push the Safety Support button to the left of the steering column. Roll the selector switch on the left side of the steering wheel until the CMBS icon is highlighted and press in. CMBS defaults back to on every time you turn the vehicle power on, even if you turned it off the last time you drove the vehicle. CMBS may be able to slow the vehicle down, but it may not always be enough to prevent a collision. The system will not detect all possible obstacles. CMBS might deliver a false warning. As always, control of the vehicle remains with the driver. Failure to take action could result in a collision. See the owner's manual for complete system details and warnings.